Sure. So last Christmas was going to be the first Christmas that my parents were spending by themselves. So my mom came up with this beautiful idea. Several days before, she and I would coordinate what we were going to eat for Christmas. We would go do our shopping and decide what time we were going to start our meal. I would cook my dinner here in Fort Myers, Florida. Mom would cook her dinner up in Chicago. And then when it came time to eat, we would take my Echo Show and put it on my table. My parents would put their cell phone on their table at my feet. So I felt like I was sitting at their table and they felt like they were sitting at my table, and we all ate together. Well, we enjoyed the experience so much, and for Christmas, after we were done eating, we actually played Pinochle with Mom and Dad in Chicago and me in Fort Myers, just on a digital app, and all three of us were playing, but we were also on a video screen at the same time. We enjoyed it so much that we've continued doing it almost every Sunday ever since. And because we're eating the same foods and the device is placed around the table where the person would normally sit, you really actually feel like you're there. So much so that on occasion my mom will call one of my other relatives, my aunt maybe, and she'll put her on speakerphone, and she thinks I'm in Chicago having the conversation with Mom and Dad around their table, not realizing that I'm in Florida, she's in Cleveland, and my folks are in Chicago. And we've been doing it so that after our Sunday dinners, I then go and get my guitar and play my guitar for my parents. It's a great way to spend time together long distance.
That's so awesome. Thank you. I love the idea of also actually positioning your device in the seat where one of you would be.
Yep.
Thanks so much for sharing this.
Between the eating the same foods so that we're cooking them at the same time, smelling the same smells, and the fact that the device is placed at the table where the person would sit, it's really what makes it feel like you're there. If we were just doing a video call while we were eating and we were eating different things, which we've done before, it doesn't give you the exact same feeling that this does.
Are you recording the preparations also? Are you cooking them at the same time, preparing at the same time and recording it?
What we often will do is an audio call while we're cooking rather than a video call while we're cooking, just because it's easier. But we do often talk while we're doing preparations, yes.
Oh, how exciting. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome.